Are you ready to elevate your wardrobe? At Vida Belle Luxury Brand, we celebrate individuality and diversity with a stunning collection that truly reflects your unique style. Our women's fashion blends elegance and comfort, featuring chic, casual wear, bold African-inspired designs, and stylish trousers perfect for any occasion. For the men, we offer timeless styles that range from sleek shirts to perfectly fitted trousers, ensuring you look sharp and feel great. Dive into our vibrant African-inspired pieces, where traditional motifs meet modern cuts, creating eye-catching designs that honor cultural heritage. And don't forget the accessories. Our elegant necklaces, from minimalistic chains to bold statement pieces, complete any outfit and showcase your personal flair. Quality is at the heart of what we do, with each piece crafted from high-quality materials for durability and comfort. With easy online shopping, redefining your style has never been simpler. Explore Vida Belle today and discover your new favorite pieces that empower you to express who you truly are.